A box contains 3 black balls and 7 white balls. An experiment consists of drawing a ball out of the box and recording its color. If a ball drawn is black, the ball is replaced back and an extra black ball is also placed into the box. If the ball drawn is white, the ball is not replaced back into the box. The experiment is attempted 3 consecutive times. Given that in these 3 attempts both colors were recorded, determine the probability that a black color was recorded twice. So let's draw a tree diagram, and initially there are 3 black and 7 white, and the first attempt, so it's black, white, 2 possible outcomes, and it's clear that probability to get black it's 3 out of 10, hence white 7 out of 10. The second attempt, if the first is black, the first black is replaced and 1 extra black also added, so there are what, 4 black in total and 7 white, so probability to get a black it's 4 over 11, hence to get white it's just 1 minus, so it's 7 over 11. And let's continue. If black, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, so there are what, 5 black in total, so probability to get black it becomes what, 5 out of 12, and hence to get white it's 7 out of 12. And if it's black white, according to this black, 1 black is added, so there are 4 black and 7 white, so probability to get black here it becomes what, 7, but 1 extra black, but this white is not replaced, so here we have 4 black but 6 white, so it becomes 4 out of 10, and hence to get white it's just 6 out of 10. It can be calculated as 1 minus 4 over 10 because black and white are all possible outcomes. And then here black white, so if the first is white it is not replaced, so we have 3 black and 6 white, so it becomes 3 out of 9 to get black, hence 6 out of 9 to get white. And here we have minus 1 white, so 6 white, and plus 1 black, so 4 black, so it becomes 4 out of 10, 4 out of 10 probability to get black, and hence 6 out of 10 to get white. And here white it means what, minus 2 white, so we have 3 black and 5 white, so probability to get black it's 3 out of 8, and hence 5 out of 8 to get white. And a question, given it indicates what, that it's about conditional probability, given that in these 3 attempts both colors were recorded, the term probability is that a black was recorded twice, so we need probability black twice given both colors, and it is equal to probability of AND both colors and black twice. What does it mean? It may be probability black, black, white, or probability black, white, black, plus probability white, black, black. And divided by probability of this given, it both colors. It means it can be calculated or represented as 1 minus probability of unwanted events, and unwanted events are what? Same color. So 1 minus probability of what? White, 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 or and black, 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 minus probability of white, white, white. Or it's also can be calculated as the sum of all branches except black, 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 and or white, white, white. And for each branch it will be what? Multiplication, because each branch it's like and it's multiplication. And hence it becomes black, black, white. So black, black, white. So 3, you can see 3 over 10 times 4 over 11 and times 7 over 12. So it's 3 over 10 times 4 over 11 times 7 over 12 and plus black, white, black, this. So it's 3 over 10 times 7 over 11 times 4 over 10 and plus white, black, black, this. So it's 7 over 10 times 3 over 9 times 4 over 10 and 1 minus probability of black, 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 it's just this product. It's 3 over 10, 4 over 11 times 5 over 12 and minus white, white, white is this. So 7 over 10 times 6 over 9 times 5 over 8 and it is equal to, just using a calculator, it's 44 over 125. 44 over 125 or 0.35. 2 to 3 significant figures. And that's all for this question.